Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 16. Today, we will explore common table expressions or CTEs. CTEs simplify complex queries, improve readability, and make your SQL code easier to manage. A CTE is a temporary result set defined with the with keyword. It exists only for the duration of the query and is used to simplify complex logic. Here is the basic syntax. We define a CTE called student CTE that selects students with marks above 70. Then we query the CTE as if it were a table. CTEs are useful because they break down complex queries, improve readability, allow you to reuse logic, and make debugging easier. You can define multiple CTEs in one query. Here, high scores selects students with marks above 80 and average marks calculates the overall average. The final query combines both. CTEs can also be recursive, meaning they reference themselves. Recursive CTEs are useful for hierarchical data like organizational charts or category trees. Let us practice. Try creating a CTE for students above 75 marks, another for employees earning above average salary, and combine multiple CTEs for reporting. In a sales database, you can create a CTE for monthly sales totals, another for top customers, and then combine them in a final query. This makes reporting much easier. Here are some mini challenges. Try creating a CTE for students in class 10A, another for finance employees earning above 50,000, and combine CTEs to show department averages and top earners. Your assignment: create employees and students tables, write queries using CTEs for filtering, multiple CTEs for reporting, and experiment with a recursive CTE for hierarchical data. To summarize, CTEs are temporary result sets defined with width. They simplify complex queries, support multiple definitions, and can even be recursive. Tomorrow, we will explore window functions like row number, rank, lead, and lag.